gangsters. It's New Year's Eve, and we're gonna pop some fireworks, yo!
Woo!
Today we're gonna start off. We have like a bag full of fireworks. We have like a lot of bags full of these.
We got some good stuff here.
So we're gonna do small to big. And we're gonna be joined by Deadeye. I want to start off with something. I want to try the golden flower fountain.
Okay. Do you have a pump lit?
I don't have a pump. Or I don't have a pump lit or a pump.
I have a lighter.
Guys, I'm gonna pause my recording until oh my god, those sounds. Yeah, I'm gonna pause my recording until we get pumps, and then we'll start some lighting some fireworks for the prankster gangsters. Don't worry, I'll have a flashlight while I'm recording, so this should not be a problem. There's a fire in there! And there's a sniper in the house. Right, so my Deadeye's getting a pump. We're gonna, yeah, it's gonna be meant to light in the box. We're gonna see what it does, and hopefully we do good in chat. It's been a while. Last year on New Year's Eve went awful for me, immediately. But yeah, this is gonna be a better one, and a much cooler one too. Yeah. I need to call Devon a PO How do you light a pump? Oh, that scared me. Remember that time when I farted? Just making sure it doesn't legitimately set on fire, but that's. I don't know how to hold it.
It's not a spark plug.
I can't hold it still enough. I need help. Sorry if I burnt you, but that was not part of the plan. Is this good? This pump, is this good?
Yes, I need to do one more thing before we get started.
I'm gonna start one.
Okay. Start one and then I need to do something.
Hold on, there's a car. I don't want it to break. It parked? Okay guys, we don't have to worry about the car. No, here it's in the house. We might have to do some more, not just one. Yeah, we're doing it as possible not to let any cars on the fire, so yeah.
You wanna do it?
Okay, yeah.
It gives you enough time to run away, so you're fine. There you go. Just leave it and it'll light.
Where's it gonna light?
Try it again.
I'm just afraid.
Don't be too afraid, buddy.
There's
Come right here.
There's a car.
Oh, yeah. Move it for the car.
Hater alert! You have to interfere. How about you go faster? Come on. Thank you for interfering, hater. Sorry, that was a hater trying to interfere in the video. That was another level of arenas right there. I want to stand back. I'm not gonna be in.
There you go. There you go. Let's check it out.
Run. Ready? Ready, doing John Cena. Boy! That's called Joe Mom.
I think it's called Golden Shower.
It's called Golden Flower. It was just a shower. That's pretty cool. John Cena. Yo, boy has some skills. That he can light fireworks without using. Yeah, okay, that was a good start. So we got. Oh, yeah, watch out for the ash. So one time I was lighting fireworks and the ash burned to my face.
Okay, I need to go get something.
Okay, I'm gonna go light another firework.
Well, wait for an adult to be out here.
Okay, guys, I'm pausing my recording again. Hey, guys, we just got back, so we're gonna light a firework today. Time to dump these dogs. Step 1, stealth. So, I'm gonna do the dumpy dogs, and hopefully it works. So let's run. Time to poop, dog. Time to poop. Oh, that was unexpected at all. Legitly unexpected. That's a dumb dog. Yeah. Really do? Yeah, it wasn't supposed to work. It didn't work right for some reason. I don't know. Maybe something messed up or something. But hey, We'll have 2 of them. So if it doesn't work, again, I'm gonna call hacks. Cause this guy worked.
It didn't work?
It didn't work all the way. It just worked a little bit. I'm gonna do a big one. If I can find. Oh,
I think that's a really big one.
that's not a really big one.
Well, I mean, that's going to be a really big.
We got a giant. So Clash Royale. Clash. No cars. No cars. So we got another big one we're gonna activate. Oh my god. I just heard somebody scream. Ah! Your boy has skills that he will. Hi, my name is Ted and I'm dead. This is Fred. Why is he not lighting? Run, 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 run. Okay, that should be good enough. Oh. Did I set the tree? Imagine I set the tree on fire.
No, that couldn't be it. Oh, that was a dud.
What?
Is that a dud?
Wait. I think that was a dud. That's 2 of them that were dud. Bruh. Are we gonna get all dud ones? We're about to do another. We're gonna start lighting a tank. See if you can set anything on fire. Ow! If I could find a tank, I will be prankster gangster. Let's find the tank. Yo, yo, yo. This boy just. Guys, I thought I would try a trick shot. I'm gonna do something crazy that you might call hacks on. Ready, money. Yeah, I'm writing a stream because I don't want it to set everything else on fire. Oh my god, it's a dead bird. Somebody must have killed a bird. I saw it. Hey.
Oh, no. Let's go.
Hater alert.
We just had a dud. Oh, yeah, leaving?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to light it. My strategy is to set this leaf on fire. That's gonna be prankster gangster. I'm gonna try a trick shot. Hopefully, nothing bad happens. It should be away from the leaf, so let's go. Let's get started. Run, 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 run. Okay. That is unexpected. That's an upside down shooter. Smoke out. Not the smoke. Sorry guys, about the smoke. The leaf didn't caught on fire. Dang it. That was an epic fail, but it wasn't a dull one. Oh, looks like the lizard is lighting a sparkler today.
I did not realize that.
Me either. Take a chill, Bill. Take a chill, Bill. Door in the face. Okay, let's not get a big one yet.
These are the perfect size logs. Big one underneath.
I'm trying to get a mini one. Let's get a hen laying eggs one. There we go. We're gonna get a hen that lays eggs.
You could probably do the hen one right there if you want.
I don't want to. I'm doing a stream. I don't want our house to catch on fire. Then we will be homeless. Trust me, being homeless. Worst thing. Especially for people that are. Money, John Cena. There we go. This one's broken. Never mind! They're broken. That's a loud one. Oh, hold on, this hater. People, stop trying to interfere on my videos. Seriously. Adele. Got Adele. You gotta do it. Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god, what the heck was that? Wasn't that John Cena? Money, John Cena. Ha! Ha ha ha. Bruh.
Those are some good ones. Should I light one of my artillery shells?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna light this one. Boy, don't be a bummer. Don't be a bummer drummer.
Really? Really?
Mana, John Cena, man. We're gonna light a sparkler one. A large friendship fountain. No cars, okay, no cars. Let's get started. Ready, steady, Freddy. Not working. What the heck? What? Oh. Brad. Daddy! Wait a minute. Oh, wow. Oh! That's a better fountain. Yeah. You just missed out on a really cool fountain.
I was watching from over here, buddy.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you were staring at the fire.
Red and green, right?
And white.
And white. It's
Oh.
flashing.
Pretty.
It just flashes light.
Okay, this is gonna call hacks. We're gonna do a flasher and then we're gonna end the video. I am gonna do more recording. Just can't do videos that are longer than 15 minutes. Hold on. Let's call them skills. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna do a flasher. Ow! That's gotta hurt. Where is the flash? Oh. There you go, the flasher.